We're going to be writing our equations based on the statement, like the word problem. So plan A is $10. An additional just means you're adding 14 cents per minute. Notice they write it down here for plan A. They write down plan B. For what amount of calling do the two plans cost the same? So you just set them equal to each other, solve for X. So it would be 200 minutes. And then it says, what is the cost? So we know it's 200 minutes, so we just plug in 200 for either one of these. 0.1 times 200 is like, what is that? 20 plus 18. So it's like 38 would be the cost. So you can just plug in what you get for one of the plans and tell you. So we first have to write them down. Selma will rent a car for the weekend. She can choose one of two plans. First plan is initial fee of 51, additional 0.08 per mile driven. Second plan has cost $40 plus 10 cents per mile driven. When do they cost the same? Set them equal to each other. So I'm gonna, let's see, this one is smaller. So I'm gonna subtract 0.08. And that'll get, so I'm gonna subtract 40. So boom, boom. Okay, good. So that's gonna be 0.02. And this is gonna be 11 divided by 0.02. $550. So for 550 miles, and then what will be the cost? We have to plug in 550 for M. So let's just we'll use the first one. So 50. On my pen on. So 51 plus 0.08 times 550. So we'll just. Oh, I got my 550 there, so I'll just do time. Oh my goodness, times 0.08, and then once that times, I'm going to add 51. It's going to cost $95. And if I plug in 550 for the other one, I should get the same thing, which is actually a really good way to check if you want to. So we're going to draw here 2 pools are being filled. Let's start with 1050. Second pool is empty. Wait. 2 liters of water. Second pool is empty. Water's being added to the first pool. 16.5 per minute. Water's being added to the second pool of 42.75. So that was empty, so it's just plus 0. The same. So I'm going to subtract. And I get 0.25, 6, 1 from 3 is 2. So I just have to divide 1050 by 26.25. And it's going to be 40 minutes till they're the same. So if I just do 40 times 42.75, that's going to give me how much water is after 40 minutes, and it's 1,710 liters. Okay, one more. Sugar Sweet Company, always a Sugar Sweet Company, huh? So 62.96 plus an additional 175 per ton of sugar. Second company, 7,500 plus 125 per ton. How many tons? So they'll be equal. So I'm going to subtract the 100.25 tons, and then I'll subtract 62.96 from 7,500. All right, calculator time. So I'm going to do 175.5 minus 100.25. Let me guess, 75.25. And then I have 7,500 minus 62.96. And I'm going to divide that by 75.25. That'll, whoops, 25. That'll give me the tons, which is 16. And then I'm going to plug that into, like, say, the first one. So I do 16 times 175.5, and then I'm going to add 6,296. So 9,104. That's what they would charge. Okay, that's the end of the lesson.